So friends, in this Excel series on Power Query, we will learn about certain functions, like we have certain items here and we have profit. Sometimes profit is negative and sometimes it's in positive. So we have to find out whether it's a positive or negative. So how we can do that, and finding out the even and odd from numbers from this, and round up, how we will use round up, round down and round function here. So let's check it out how we will do it. So it's a step, the first step that will remain the same. First of all, we have to convert it into table. I will go to data and from table, and my table is a header, so we will convert it into table. Now our data will be in table. Then I will go here and select this. Then I will go to add column, and from here I will, like if you need an absolute value, we can even do the absolute value here. So I will put here an absolute value, so it will show the absolute value here. And then what we will do, I will select there, and then I will go to information, and in the information we have a sign function. So I just click on the sign function. So we have two values here, like one is minus and another one is plus. So minus means, like if our data is in minus, then it will show -1, and if our data is in plus, then it will show plus. So our profit, if it's in minus, that will show -1, and if it's 0, then it will show 0. Like if it's remained the same, then it will go with the 0. Next thing is, if we have to find out the whole number from this. So finding the whole number, we select this, and then I will go to information, and is it even or an odd. Sorry, we have to find out whether the number is an even or an odd. To finding that, like if you click on even, so it will show false, like it's not an even number, and if it's an even number, then it will show an even number. Similarly, I will click here, and if we to find out the odd number, so we can just click here and we can find whether the number is even or odd. So it will give the answer in true and false. Now if you want to delete all this, so then we will do the next functions. I am doing it so that we can find the next function. Right click, and I just remove columns. We don't need this column now. So now next thing is our rounding. Like whenever we go to any store and buy some product, if their value is in your points, like in decimal point, like 33 and 35 paisa, 45 paisa. So how like we can do rounding? So there are two type of rounding. One rounding is your rounding up, and another is rounding down, and the third one is round. So first of all, we will see rounding up. So when we will add rounding up, so it will go toward the upside. So like it's a 34.66, so then it will go upside and will convert it into 35. Similarly to 78, so it convert into 46, and it will remain the same because it's 0.33. So according to our decimal point, it will go up toward rounding up. Okay, like for 45.67. So in that way it will go to upside. So it will taking 50 as a margin, 0.50 as a margin, and if it's above 0.50, it will go toward upper side. Next we will select this, and this time we will go to rounding down. So when we will go rounding down, so it will always go toward downside. So it will be 24. This time it is even if it 30.4.66, but still it is going toward 34. So always it is going toward downside, whatever will be the number. Okay, in this case it will be 21, but generally, so whatever will be the number, according to that it will be going toward, like it will take a 21. So but if you will want a normal rounding, so in that case we will click on profit, rounding, and this time I will take round, and it will ask about decimal places. So I will put a 0 here, so we will need the exact rounding, and then press OK. So it will take the exact rounding. So this is the way we can do our rounding function. So now we can go to the home tab, and we can close and load the data to our sheet, a new sheet, and whatever changes we will make here in the sheet, as we know earlier, which is a common thing here. So whatever changes we will make here, that will be changed in this sheet also.